Mint growing tips. Mint is a hardy, easy grower that requires minimal care. It will not hog the sunlight from your other plants. They will be happy growing in the lower light areas of your home and partial shade. It grows very well in containers on its own. If you choose to plant it with anything else, be aware it will eventually overtake the entire container. Helpful mint growing tips in containers. Keep mint moist. This plant does not like to dry out and likes evenly moist soil. Do not make the soil swampy but friendly, even moisture that spreads the top of the soil. Humidity is a blessing to mint. A saucer of damp pebbles to set your container on or regular misting will keep your mint very happy. Pick and prune regularly for beautiful bushy plants. Trim whole stems at second or third leaf nodes from the base when they are young for great flavor and increased upright clumpy growth. Do not cut the plant bare but evenly time your trimming to get your plant to produce total growth. An overabundance of mint preserves perfect in regular ice cubes. Freeze whole leaves in water-filled ice cube trays for quick use to pop in a drink later. Frowning face. Do not overfertilize mint. It will cause the flavor too bitter and the leaves to yellow or brown. Light organic fertilizer, on occasion, is fine. I like to refresh my mint every 3 to 4 months with a handful. Thanks for watching.